The Silonn countertop ice maker reliably turns out 24 solid cubes in around 13 minutes, so it easily keeps up with family use and small gatherings. Over a full day, it can produce enough ice for frequent entertaining, making it a strong alternative to relying on a refrigerator freezer or last-minute store runs. You can feed it either from a compatible water container or by pouring water directly into the reservoir, which makes placement flexible in kitchens, offices, or bars. The built-in cleaning cycle helps flush mineral deposits and residue, which is especially helpful if you are dealing with harder water and want to keep maintenance simple. A clear display and straightforward controls let you choose thinner or thicker cubes and show you what the machine is doing at a glance. So there is very little learning curve. The stainless steel exterior, square slow-melting cubes, and reasonably quiet operation give it a more premium feel than many plastic units in the same category.